Compost can be mixed right into the garden. It can be what's called top dressed, meaning you can spread it right on the soil surface. So you can already have an established garden. You can add the compost right to the surface. It benefits the plants. You can add compost in the spring. You can add compost in the summer, in the fall, even in the winter if you want to. Compost is very nutrient rich, has a lot of nutrients. It has a soil sponge effect, meaning it absorbs water and releases that into the soil. So it's really good for plants. Just want to make sure that your compost is well broken down. So it shouldn't smell a lot. You shouldn't be able to identify a lot of things in the compost. It should be really well decomposed. You can grow in straight compost. So if you're filling raised beds, for example, you can grow in straight compost as long as it's really well decomposed. Mixing it with loam is recommended. If you're building raised beds, for example, you could put some sand in as well into the mix. But generally, yes, you can mix compost with soil. You can add it to the surface. You can apply it while the plants are growing. You can apply it before you plant. It's a very versatile organic source of nutrients, and it's ideal for growing organically.